We're reporting from outside St. Stephen's College where the convocation of the batch is just about to begin, and I'm joined by Devansh and his parents. For everybody this would be a very joyous moment, but for you it's been a controversy of sorts. But now you have a big smile on your face. The court order is a big relief. But is it a disappointment, I want to know, that despite the petition which is running online, Mr. Kejriwal is still coming in?
So see, this was something which was started by my fellow students, the petition to asking Mr. Kejriwal not to come. So this was the first sign that the students were openly supporting me. So I felt that I have to support such a petition because the students are standing by me and I need to reciprocate their support, right? So, but after all, Mr. Kejriwal has come and I guess we are all going to be happy to meet him there. Yeah.
Ma'am, what about you? Your son is here finally in his robe, finally graduating today.
Finally.
It's a big relief.
Yes, it is a big relief and a good thing to see him here in college today.
All right. So I want to understand from you, many would say your son has become quite famous, a journalist, even before he embarks that journey, really. What are the sentiments at this point?
You know, earlier the kids were recognized by the parents' name, now the parents are recognized by the kids' names. so we are very happy about it.
Yeah, are you? But in a way, when you look back upon these 3 years now, what would you say to the principal today? As you're going to go on stage, you're going to, have a face-off with him directly after so long, after meeting him with him in court yesterday. Today you're going to be facing him again. What are going to be the sentiments like?
So see, I've been born and brought up in Christian school since my birth. Till the 10th standard, I was in St. Mary's, Bombay, then Xavier's in 11th, 12th, and now St. Stephen's. So one thing I've learned is what Jesus Christ says about hating the sin but not the sinner. So I don't have anything personal against the principal. What I have is against what he did to muzzle free speech and expression in the college. So I'm happy that the court order, this is the court order, has allowed me to come for this ceremony and has protected the right of going to the media, talking to them and speaking clearly.